inaabangan nyo. Okay, next, Topshop. Extra small to small. Sige, tayo, thank you. Extra small to small. Code is top. Code ng top. Topshop to ha. Extra small to small. Zipper back. Code is top. 180 pesos. Code ng top, 180. Okay, next, this one, pang office, mga madam, medium, large, button down. Meron siyang belt sa likod, and then garterized. Code ako, black. 180, code is black. Hala, Miss Jana, naunahan ka. Ni Reyes Donna. Miss Reyes, Donna, yours na to me unless i-double lock ha. Reyes, Donna, me yours na to, pero pag dinouble lock, syempre. Sobrang ganda nito. Ang liit, ay, ang laki lang sa akin. Madam Reyes, Donna. Second kami, Gel and tsaka si Madam Jana. Okay, next, branded by Divided by H&M. Another silk, bell sleeves. Extra small to small lang to, ha? Extra small to small side zipper. Code is divided. 180, code divided. 180, code is divided. Okay, next, wrap around. Super nice naman itong mga bakla. Medium po, branded by Only, ha? Medium, semi-large, branded by Only. Code ako Only 180. Only 180 pesos. Code is Only. Ito ba tayo yung i-mine to? Small, medium, zipper back, mga madam. Size 8 on tag ni Tusa. Sobrang ganda. Small, med, mga madam. Code ako sobra 180. Sobra 180. Okay, next one. Small, medium, branded by Girl in Mind. Carry hanggang 28-29. Ganda ng kulay. Code ako kulay 180, zipper back. Small up to medium to. Code ng kulay. Ba't ang liit mo, divided? True, no? Sayang, ang laki. Ay, ang liit. Okay, next, ito, tempt. Ito, pwede siyang cover up, mga madam, ha? Small hanggang medium, mga mi. Pwede siyang cover up. Code ako na, hanggang medium to, sobrang lambot. Code ako dito ng linya 180. Branded by tempt. Mi, hindi to kasya sa akin. Ay, parang kasya. Kakasya to sa akin, mi. Side zipper. Kakasya to sa akin. Okay, kulay. Mary Isip, me, yours na si kulay. Kulay, Mary Isip, yours na to, mahal. Excuse me. And then, Sobra, Melanie Therese, yours na si Sobra. Ang ganda nun, box. Si Sobra, promise. Okay, Melanie, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Mahal, yours na to.